She's a beauty.
Yeah, so we smoothed everything out the best we could.
No, lovely.
So the Corian will just create this form. We've got, we'll put the slate on and then the rails will go on and you'll see where it kind of ends up to the rails. And it's all got such a nice flow to it, every bit of it.
No,
so
beauty. If
there's anything more, you can always just use any grinding wheel and just
and we'll just take that back if there's anything in our way.
Yeah, but she's on casters. So this isn't completely bolted on. So here, let me just climb in. Want your fingers there.
Oh, you got her, Larry?
Actually, you should. Yeah, there you go. So I got the bolts are right there for the rest of the holes here. Right? You guys got your work cut out for you.
I'm going home.
Yeah.
That's nice and stiff though, isn't it?
So you'll see here, there's bolts here.
Yeah.
And here, so right here, it actually splits.
Oh, that's where it slips
Right
out.
here and here, where all these bolts come in. It's a snug fit, but it will come apart. It's all bolted together right now. So I know we talked, the problem...
That'll really help us then, you know, on the turn. In fairness, we shouldn't need to because we should be able to lay that right down.
The only thing that concerns me is how heavy it's going to be later and moving it from here to Yves's place.
Definitely.
And getting it inside.
Yeah.
So...
And that's where we'll monitor the weight on it anyway, you know.
Right.
As we're laying it down before we hard glue anything, it'll give us then the kind of freedom to just keep an eye on that.
And then in the end, I'm gonna need access in here to be able to get a rail bolt in through that hole. So I've got a long socket. So this one here is the only one I need access to. So, but I think if you just go up to, with the black kind of up to here, that'll give me my space in there that I need to get to.
Yeah, so you just need to access this top rib.
That's right, exactly. I've got the slate and the rails in my van.
Yeah. I'm just thinking, should we be making the brake there for the adjustment?
I envisioned the brake to be...
Up here on it?
Above the slate.
Yeah.
So you'd get, the slate's about 1.5 inches. And then the rails would be on top of that. So those rails, I'm gonna need to cloth after the fact.
Yeah.
So why don't we create some spacers right now, or I bring the slate in and we can put the rails on and you can get the full visual.
Yeah.
Right? Here, I'll go that way if you want to grab from that side.
You're way too comfortable with this slate.
Yeah, I've done this a few times. So the key would be to get the centerpiece perfectly centered and square.
And then, rock it off of that.
And then the other two will just butt up against it.
It's dangerous to have an Irishman mic'd up.
Don't worry, I can cut anything.
Should have put the mic on Larry.
Here, I'll take that here. So I put these on here just for stability.
Oh, brilliant.
All right, want to grab an end? So just to show you.
Oh yeah, perfect.
Right, so we've got
Lovely.
about, you know, about a 1/4 inch space. So as you come up here,
Yeah, so that's where we're gonna make the break then.
They had to get this made in a 4.5 by 9 just to make things a little bit more difficult. 4 by 8 would be easier. Oh yeah, beautiful.
And that next lad then should come up and meet onto that.
And right, and then also if you guys need to, you can
we
you
can adjust
take
that.
off.
Yeah, if we need to.
Right, so you're gonna wrap over and you're gonna butt it right up against the front here, because this is called the feather strip.
Oh, lovely. Yeah, so you want me to put a little dado on that?
And that's,
or just want me butt off, so that's how you tuck into that?
That's how I tuck the felt in, exactly.
Yeah.
So as long as you butt in tight to that, with 1/2 inch, we've got the perfect rail height.
And then we'll just drop it down just a little bit, pretty much nearly there anyway, you know?
Yeah, you're awful close.
Yeah.
And then at the end, it's a little bit different, just because of the angle it comes out more.
And that's what I was looking at.
I think it curves a little bit more.
Yeah, that's we're putting a heavy round up onto that edge. Yeah,
exactly. This
so we'll
one
keep
here's
this
a little
one,
straighter.
and that's where we can actually do it on the material.
Yeah, right. Because ideally, what we want to finish with is the same rail width here that we do here on the very top. I mean, this one can come out a little bit more because it's rounder. Yeah. But naturally, this frame kind of comes out
the goal,
out here, right? But that curve will really kind of blend it in.
Almost there, at it.
Yeah, that's pretty close, isn't it?
Yeah.
Good though, hey?
Amazing.
Yeah.
Especially my two brothers are welders, so I do appreciate metalwork. I
had so much troubles with metal shops and dealing with the people and the fabricators. I just built a whole metal shop just to do this.
Just to do it, yeah.
So I went and bought welders and I hired guys, and so now I got a metal shop in the end. So
yeah. Oh, if I'd have known, you could have made me roll cage, just done everything for the Mini.
Is that your Mini?
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, we just put a hand engine in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah, doing full conversion on it. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, my old man's a mechanic. Actually, my two brothers build race cars back in Ireland.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I picked that up.
That thing goes then, huh?
Oh, yeah.
My dad used to have one of those when he was younger. He said no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't roll the thing.
No, man. Like, I'll put that up on 3 wheels and everything.
Oh,
it's like a few times now.
Yeah, very cool.
Now, so I thermoformed up the material up over the back of it.
Oh, is that Corian there?
Yeah. And then Sam made the steering wheel out of it as well. But yeah, so we've got.
So is this is a color that you get from your supplier kind of thing?
That's actually the backside of the material.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And you just heated that and formed it?
Yeah, so that's triple. So I CNC'd the top and the bottom with a rebate, then I thermoformed the third strip. So that's triple stacked the material.
I can see the layer.
Yeah, and then we done a triple sandwich onto that.
Oh,
it just shows the versatility of the material.
It is. It's so versatile. Super cool. Can you show us the heating and stuff?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah.
So all this is all Corian too inside.
Yeah.
Following the curves.
Then I've got a custom dash to go into it as well. There, have it in the showroom, and yeah, here's the fun part of it. That was
How's that fit in there?
Oh, it was a nightmare.
Oh my God.
Oh, nightmare. You can't even fit a business card in between the frame and there. But yeah, no,
I love the color too.
Yeah, a friend of mine actually painted it. It was parked here and it was white. And the guy delivering quartz reversed right up into the back of it.
Oh no.
It wasn't parked there a week. These guys. Con, just stick on the oven there for me, will you? I just want to do a panel and of a decent size and we just lay it in.
So now he's going to show us how the oven will heat these parts. It'll heat the Corian and then we can mold it. And then once it cools and it settles down to its solid, or it settles down back to room temperature, it'll hold that shape.
Something. Beautiful.
That is really cool.
That will pull in, that beautiful. So what we can do, Larry, we can run a strip top side.
Yeah.
You know, just to make that